Nearly every driver thinks they're taking good care of their car. You change the oil, fill the gas tank, and maybe even wash it once in a while. But what if the real damage is coming from tiny habits you repeat every single day without even realizing it? Some of these mistakes slowly destroy your brakes. Others wear out your transmission, suspension, and engine years earlier than necessary. And the worst part is that mechanics make thousands of dollars fixing problems that could have been avoided completely. Today, we're exposing the most common driving habits secretly ruining your car and costing drivers huge amount of money in the long run. Hack number 9. Riding your brakes downhill. Most drivers do this almost every single day without realizing how much damage it causes over time. You're driving down a long hill, trying to control your speed, and your foot stays lightly pressed on the brake pedal the entire way down. It feels normal, it feels safe, but what's actually happening underneath your car is a slow buildup of extreme heat that quietly destroys your braking system piece by piece. Brakes work through friction. The longer you ride them downhill, the hotter the brake pads and rotors become. Eventually, that heat starts warping the rotors, glazing the brake pads, and boiling the brake fluid. That is when drivers suddenly notice shaking steering wheels, squeaking noises, weak braking performance, or expensive repair bills that seem to appear out of nowhere. Here's the smarter way to drive downhill. Instead of relying completely on the brakes, shift into a lower gear and let the engine help slow the car naturally. This technique is called engine braking, and modern transmissions are specifically designed to handle it safely. The engine creates resistance that reduces stress on your brakes and dramatically cuts heat buildup during long descents. Many drivers replace brake components far earlier than necessary simply because they unknowingly ride their brakes downhill every day. And the next habit quietly destroys tires, fuel economy, and steering components at the exact same time. Hack number 8. Ignoring tire pressure. Most people only think about their tires when the warning light suddenly appears on the dashboard. But by the time that light turns on, your tires are usually already dangerously underinflated. What many drivers still do not realize is that tires naturally lose air pressure over time, even when there are no leaks or punctures. That means if you are not checking them regularly, you could be slowly damaging your car every single day without noticing it. Underinflated tires create extra rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder just to move the vehicle forward. That means worse fuel economy, more stress on steering components, and faster tire wear all happening at the same time. The edges of the tire begin scrubbing harder against the road, generating heat and uneven wear patterns that shorten the lifespan of the tire dramatically. And tires are not cheap anymore. Replacing a full set can easily cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars, depending on the vehicle. Meanwhile, avoiding all this damage is incredibly simple. Check your tire pressure every few weeks and refill them when needed. Most cars even list the correct tire pressure inside the driver's side door jamb. A tiny habit that takes 2 minutes can literally save you thousands over the life of your car. And the next mistake quietly destroys one of the most expensive parts hiding inside your fuel tank. Hack number 7. Driving with an almost empty gas tank. Most drivers see the fuel light turn on and think they still have plenty of time left before filling up. Some people even treat that warning light like a challenge, driving for days with barely any fuel left in the tank. But what many drivers do not realize is that constantly driving near empty can quietly destroy one of the most expensive components in the entire fuel system. Inside your fuel tank sits the fuel pump, and that pump depends on gasoline itself to stay cool and lubricated while running. When fuel levels drop too low, the pump can start pulling in air instead of a steady flow of gasoline. Without enough fuel surrounding it, the pump overheats and wears out much faster than normal. And replacing a fuel pump is not cheap. On many vehicles, mechanics have to drop the entire fuel tank just to access it. That turns a relatively simple part into a repair bill that can easily reach $1,000 or more depending on the car. The scary part is that most fuel pump failures happen slowly over time. Drivers usually do not notice the damage until one day the car suddenly struggles to start or completely refuses to run. A simple habit like filling up earlier can dramatically increase the lifespan of your fuel system. And the next mistake secretly damages your transmission every single time you park or reverse too quickly. Hack number 6. Shifting gears before fully stopping. This is one of the fastest ways drivers quietly destroy their transmission without even realizing it. You back out of a parking spot and immediately slam the car into drive before the vehicle fully stops rolling backward. Or maybe you shift into park while the car is still moving slightly forward. It feels harmless because the car still works afterward. But inside the transmission, enormous stress is hitting components that were never meant to absorb force like that repeatedly. Automatic transmissions rely on internal clutch packs, gears, and a small parking mechanism called the parking pole. When you shift directions while the car is still rolling, the transmission suddenly has to fight against the entire momentum of the vehicle moving the opposite way. That creates friction, heat, and unnecessary strain deep inside the transmission every single time it happens. And transmission repairs are brutally expensive. Many modern transmission replacements cost several $1,000s, sometimes more than the actual value of the car itself. What makes this habit dangerous is that the damage builds slowly over months or years until the transmission finally begins slipping, jerking, or failing completely. The smarter habit is simple. Always come to a complete stop before changing gears and give the transmission 1 second to fully engage before accelerating. And the next mistake happens before you even start driving, and most people still think it is helping their engine. Hack number 5. Letting your car idle too long before driving. Millions of drivers still believe they need to let their car warm up for 10 or 15 minutes before driving, especially during cold mornings. Some people start the engine and leave it running while they get ready for work. Others sit parked waiting for the temperature gauge to rise before touching the gas pedal. It feels like you are protecting the engine, but modern cars actually work very differently than older vehicles from decades ago. Today's engines warm up much faster while driving gently than they do sitting still at idle. In fact, long idle periods can actually increase engine wear because the engine stays cold longer while running rich on extra fuel. During this warm-up cycle, carbon buildup increases and excess fuel can slowly wash oil away from cylinder walls over time. Meanwhile, you are also wasting fuel every minute the car sits there idling. The smarter approach is simple. Start the engine, wait about 15 to 30 seconds for oil circulation, then begin driving gently until the engine reaches operating temperature naturally. This helps warm the engine faster while reducing unnecessary wear and fuel waste. Many drivers unknowingly shorten engine life simply because they follow outdated advice that no longer applies to modern vehicles. And the next habit slowly destroys your car from underneath, while most drivers barely think about it at all. Hack number 4. Never washing the underside of your car. Most drivers think washing a car is only about making it look clean and shiny, but the real danger is usually hiding underneath where almost nobody looks. Dirt, road salt, moisture, mud, and grime slowly build up under the vehicle every single time you drive. And once that buildup traps moisture against exposed metal, rust begins spreading silently underneath the car long before most people notice anything wrong. This is especially dangerous in areas with snowy winters or salty ocean air. Road salt sticks aggressively to suspension parts, brake lines, exhaust systems, and metal frame components. Over time, corrosion eats away at those parts until expensive repairs suddenly appear out of nowhere. Some drivers even lose brake pressure because rusted brake lines eventually crack and leak fluid underneath the car. And rust repairs are never cheap. Exhaust replacements, suspension work, brake lines, and structural rust damage can cost thousands of dollars once corrosion spreads far enough. Meanwhile, preventing most of it is surprisingly simple. Even spraying the underside of your car with water every few weeks can dramatically slow rust buildup and extend the lifespan of critical components. Automatic car washes with underbody cleaning can help too, especially during winter months. Many cars do not fail because the engine dies. They fail because rust quietly destroys everything underneath first, and the next mistake causes drivers to ignore warning signs that could save them thousands before major damage happens. Hack number 3. Ignoring strange noises from your car. Your car almost always warns you before something expensive breaks. The problem is that most drivers ignore the warning signs until the repair bill becomes massive. A small squeak, whine, rattle, or grinding sound might seem harmless at first, especially if the car still drives normally. But many of those noises are early signals that a component is beginning to fail long before complete damage happens. And mechanics know this very well. A squealing belt could mean it is about to snap completely. A whining power steering pump may be warning you about dangerously low fluid. Grinding brakes could mean your brake pads are already worn down into the rotors. A hissing sound near the engine could signal a coolant leak before overheating destroys the engine entirely. The longer those sounds are ignored, the more expensive the repair usually becomes. What could have been a simple, inexpensive fix slowly turns into damaged rotors, failed pumps, blown head gaskets, or even complete engine failure. And the scary part is that many drivers continue driving for weeks or months, hoping the sound magically disappears on its own. The smartest habit is simple. If your car suddenly starts making a new sound, investigate it early before minor problems turn into major repairs. And the next mistake quietly damages your transmission every single time you park your car incorrectly. Hack number 2. Never using your parking brake. Most drivers pull into a parking spot, shift the car into park, and walk away without ever touching the parking brake. It feels completely normal because the car seems secure already. But what many people do not realize is that the entire weight of the vehicle is now resting against a tiny metal component inside the transmission called the parking pall. That tiny piece was never designed to hold all the stress by itself forever. Whenever your car rolls slightly after shifting into park, especially on hills or uneven surfaces, pressure slams directly against that parking mechanism. Over time, this creates unnecessary wear inside the transmission and can eventually lead to hard shifting, loud clunks, or extra stress on internal components. And transmission repairs can cost thousands of dollars. The smarter habit is simple. Keep your foot on the brake after stopping. Engage the parking brake first, then shift the car into park afterward. This allows the parking brake to hold the vehicle's weight instead of forcing the transmission to absorb all the pressure alone. There is another important reason to use it too. Parking brake cables and mechanisms can seize up over time if they are never used. Then, one day during an emergency, the system may not work properly when you actually need it most. And the final mistake on this list is something almost every driver does constantly without realizing how much money it quietly wastes over time. Hack number 1. Aggressive acceleration and hard driving. Most drivers know speeding is dangerous, but what many people never think about is how much damage aggressive driving quietly causes to the car itself over time. Slamming the gas pedal, flooring the engine while cold, hard launches at traffic lights, and rapid acceleration all place enormous stress on components throughout the entire vehicle, and the wear adds up much faster than people realize. Every time you aggressively accelerate, the engine, transmission, mounts, tires, and drivetrain suddenly absorb huge amounts of force all at once. Temperatures rise faster, fluids break down quicker, and friction increases across moving components designed to operate more smoothly under gradual load. Your tires wear out faster, your brakes work harder, fuel economy drops dramatically. Even suspension parts experience more stress from repeated aggressive driving habits every single day. And modern cars are not cheap to repair anymore. One aggressive habit repeated for years can quietly shave thousands of miles off the lifespan of expensive components without drivers noticing until repair bills finally begin appearing one after another. The smarter approach is not driving painfully slow, it is driving smoothly. Gradual acceleration, gentle braking, and allowing the car to warm up properly before hard driving dramatically reduce long-term wear while also improving fuel economy and reliability at the same time. The difference between a car lasting 100,000 miles and 300,000 miles often comes down to the daily habits of the person sitting behind the wheel. Most drivers never realize how much money they quietly lose through small habits repeated every single day. It is usually not one massive mistake that destroys a car. It is years of tiny habits slowly wearing down brakes, transmissions, tires, steering systems, and engines until expensive repairs suddenly appear out of nowhere. The good news is that once you understand these mistakes, most of them are incredibly easy to avoid. A few smarter habits can literally add years to your car's lifespan and save you thousands of dollars over time. Now we want to hear from you. Which one of these bad habits surprised you the most? And are there any car-destroying mistakes you see drivers make constantly that we did not mention in this video, drop them down in the comments below, because some of the best tips come directly from experienced drivers and mechanics. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hidden car secrets, money-saving tips, and smart driving hacks most people never learn until it is too late. And trust me, the next video might completely change the way you take care of your car forever.